Go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. And now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Unique and yet part of the infinite light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flowing down, flowing over your face, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head and your neck and your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing, and allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the sheer abundance of creation. This may be at the beach looking out over the ocean, the vastness of the ocean. It might be in the mountains or a forest. It might be looking up at an evening sky filled with stars. And just allow yourself to experience as much of it as possible. Allowing yourself to know that this abundance is here for you as much as anyone else. However you might be picturing that abundance. imagine saying to the universe, well, I don't want to take up too much of this, so I'm going to cover my eyes, or I'm going to avert my eyes and only see a little bit of it. And just imagine how universe, God, source, creator would respond to that. It's like, I put this here for you. Allowing yourself to question any old programming about depriving yourself or denying yourself of the abundance that's there. Knowing there are people out there who try to enhance their experience of it by blocking the experience of others. And we could say that's wrong, but it's not their experience of abundance, it's the means in which they do it. And allowing yourself to know that you can stand there and take in this abundance and experience it and enjoy it without taking away from anyone else. And your allowance of your life being even better ultimately doesn't take away from anyone else. And if anyone else believes that their experience of life depends upon blocking your experience, they're mistaken. Allow yourself to say, yeah, I'm not going to go with that anymore. Your freedom creates freedom for others. They may not accept it. They may not be ready for it. But keep allowing yourself to be that example of looking around and saying, these wonders are here for me as well as anyone else. Your success benefits others. Your wins are wins for others. Allowing yourself to recognize that. And trusting that you can handle life. Even if it gets bumpy, you've got this. Again, looking around at the abundance, giving yourself permission to experience as much of it as possible, knowing that you are a magnificent child of this universe, worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer, the best this universe has to offer. And there is nothing that is too good for you, nothing that is too much for you. And that doesn't mean that you have to always strive for more. It's not that more is always better. It's not a matter of saying, I don't have enough now and I have to feel bad about that. Not at all. Allowing yourself to feel as grateful as possible for whatever you have right now. Just letting go of the need to set a limit and say that it can't or shouldn't get better. Giving yourself permission to feel as joyful and grateful and loved and loving as possible in this moment right now. As you allow yourself to be more and more open to things getting better, knowing that as you allow things to get better, that creates an opening for things to be better for other people as well. It's a win-win situation. Allow yourself to feel good about that as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back up from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before, with a greater freedom to imagine positive actions you can take, positive outcomes you can experience, and a greater freedom to create that, to take those actions for the highest good of you and others. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to zero, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.